CJ, your favorite scuba diver here with Deep South Divers. I have grabbed my tools off the dock and I'm headed underneath of Kaimalie. She is a 39-foot sailboat in Savannah, Georgia. I'm just taking a cursory glance here. She's a little dusty. She's got some barnacles in her crevices and stuff. And her prop's pretty much covered in fouling. You can see the zinc there is in pretty good shape. Let's give her a clean and then see how she looks. Perfect water line. You know, it's nice to work on boats that are so well maintained. This one is very well taken care of. Once a month I get down there and clean her off. She's got fabulous paint, so she comes real clean, real easy. That's her rudder right there. Not a speck of dust. Look how clean this prop came out. Yeah, man, absolutely beautiful. That zinc there is a little bit worn, which proves to me that it's doing its job. It'll probably be good for at least a few more months. Make sure that everything is perfect and clean. You see her engine intake there is in great shape. Another intake there, raw water intake. Nice and clear. Boy, did she come out pretty. She is ready to race. Here's her keel again. Notice I've cleaned off everything that was on there. Any dust you see is just left over from where I was cleaning other parts of the boat. Underneath of that keel is typically the place where barnacles really grow. You can see that she's clean and clear, and she even still has paint on the bottom of her keel, which is very rare for the area here. Perfect water line. Nice job. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.